Have you ever wondered why so many people are changing jobs in today's workforce? Why are most network marketing companies experiencing stagnation when there appears to be so many career-frustrated people around the world? The current job market is a whirlwind of change, largely due to the global pandemic that has forced people out of their comfort zones and seriously consider their future. It's challenging times, yes, but it's also a time of reinvention and growth for those that decide to look for options. A small number of network marketing companies are rising, like a phoenix from the ashes of traditional employment and outdated consumable product MLM companies. It's been said that up to 40% of the population will switch jobs or professions over the next 12 months. This shift isn't always about the paycheck. For many, it's about the pursuit of financial independence, the allure of being your own boss, and the freedom to choose your own path. But as with every disruption in the market, there are also pitfalls to avoid. The internet is teeming with scams and bogus platforms. Authenticity and due diligence have never been more important, especially for those who want to build a network marketing team. Being part of the right team, with the right company, at the right time is the undeniable secret to your success in network marketing in 2024 and beyond. 40% of real-world employees will make a pivot in their career path over the next 12 months. Why are so many network marketers unwilling to make a pivot to a better opportunity that makes sound business sense? Are network marketers also part of this 40% seeking new opportunities? And if not, why not? So the question lingers. Are 40% of network marketers changing companies too? Let's delve deeper. Before we proceed, let's understand the difference between direct sales and network marketing. Direct sales is a business model where products are sold directly to consumers, bypassing any middleman. This is typically done through sales presentations, one-on-one demonstrations, and other personal contact strategies. On the other hand, network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, is a model that relies on a network of distributors to grow a business. It allows individuals to build a business by recruiting an independent workforce and earning from their personal sales and the sales of their team. Now, you might ask, why would network marketing be more beneficial? Well, it's simple. Network marketing offers the potential for unlimited income and the freedom to work on your own terms. I am sure you are familiar with the famous J. Paul Getty quote, "I would rather earn 1% on 100 people's efforts than 100% on my own." It's not just about selling products. It's about building and mentoring a team, creating a community, and developing a sustainable business with wealth-generating income. However, many people, especially those new to the network marketing business model, often confuse these two models. They end up promoting the wrong company without proper guidance and support, which can lead to frustration and failure. The truth is only about 3% of the companies offer an opportunity for true wealth creation. It's not just about choosing a company that offers a product you love. It's about finding a company that has products or services that customers want to buy. Do customers really want to be pitched about a new vitamin or other consumable product? The truth is, potential customers have been beat up for 50 years by distributors trying to convince them to change brands of nutritional products, skincare, household items, and other consumable product. As network marketing team builder Dale Calvert says, the consumable products network marketing business model is blockbuster. They just don't know it yet. So the real key to success is choosing the right company at the right time in history, and the right team with proven mentorship. Most network marketing distributors don't consider the timing of the opportunity, and that is a mistake. This, my friends, is a question that could make or break your future. You see, being aligned with the right company in network marketing is not just a matter of personal preference. Just because you love a particular product line does not necessarily mean you should attempt to build a business with that product line. Be a customer, but if you want to build a real business, it is not about you. It is about acceptance in the marketplace of potential customers. It's about finding a company with a product or service that is a category creator and provides you with the right training systems, tools, and supports your personal growth and consistent progressing income. However, with the digital age, we're seeing a rise in online scams and money grabs. They can be tempting with their promises of quick money, but remember, there's no shortcut to success. These shortcuts can lead you down a path that's far from the financial independence you dream of. Instead, they can leave you in a worse position than when you started. So, how do you avoid these pitfalls? Look for a team that has a proven track record, one like Calvert Marketing Group, who is known for developing full-time income earners. Led by Dale Calvert, his teams have created more six-figure earners over the years than any other team. They're committed to helping individuals with all levels of experience, providing real-world success systems based on recruiting and customer acquisition systems that work. Remember, network marketing is a great opportunity for financial independence, but only when you're with the right team and company. If you are looking for the top-rated opportunity in the market right now today, check out the training at www.lastmlm.com. You will not find your typical Me Too, lotion, potion, and nutritional products here. At www.lastmlm.com, you will learn about a $450 billion market with zero MLM competition, a real category creator. The website again is www.lastmlm.com. The link is in the description of this video. People in the real world make career pivots. For some unknown reason, network marketers don't. If you are ready to find the last MLM company real leaders will ever join, check out the website, and we wish you success on your network marketing journey.